Solidworks offers a variety of modes for creating animations are, animation, basic motion, and motion study. In previous video, animations are used to show how something works by adding motion and enhance the assembly appearance with visual effects. Basic motion considers the effects of motors, collisions, and gravity along with mass, when computing motion. Basic motion calculation is quite rapid, therefore it can be used to create presentation-worthy animations. In this video, basic motion can be created using three types are, motion with contact, motion with mates and motion with motors. After defining the degrees of freedom for the components, movements are not applied to parts that are not in contact. In basic motion, contact can be defined in motion study to prevent parts from penetrating each other during motion. By connecting an motor with oscillating motion to the gearing shaft, the component contact with the claws will imitate in synchrony with the parameters. Mate controllers can be used to restrict motion between components for motion studies. You can set and adjust the values for distance and angle mates at various positions in an animation. Repeat the procedure with multiple positioning. This animation can export to basic motion by Animation Wizard in the motion studies based on the positions you define in Mate controller. And you can create keypoint animations and motor animations. Motion studies motors simulate motion acting on a body as if it were generated by a motor. Motors can be utilized in motion studies to move components throughout an assembly. Multiple motors are used to at multiple position. Motion study controls and synchronizes multiple motors to complete a sequence of movements. Basic motions are used to show how something works by adding contacts, motors, gravity to enhance the assembly appearance with visual effects. In next session, we look forward to come with briefing on motion analysis. Stay tuned for more forthcoming videos. Thank you.